Can you tell me about the Roombas? Yeah.
A window on it, and they vacuum.
Do you just love vacuuming?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really
They're kissing. Aww, they love each other. They're working together as a team.
I just touched those Roombas.
What's your favorite one?
It's this one. I love that one too.
You love that one? Yeah.
Yeah. I love that one too.
Yeah.
I love that one too. Also, in that.
Look at all these Roombas.
We're going next to them, and there's a hug committee. We're going to find them, and let's get a hug from them.
Aww, do you need a hug?
Yeah.
Aww. Love you, buddy. He's just thinking. There he goes. I think he wanted to go in the kitchen, but I blocked him. Because Mommy doesn't know how to do all the fancy app on her phone.
He wants to go in the kitchen.
I know, but we don't want him to go in the kitchen.
We don't want to go in the kitchen.
So what's your favorite part about the Roomba?
Also, the room has a line of it, and then the room has a charger right there.
The charger? Yeah, that's a nice charger. Oh, are you sending it home? Mm,
That's nice. That's nice.
that's nice. Hey, look at your socks match the blue light. It's the same color. Oh, here comes the other one. This one I think is going to back up and try again. There you go. All right. We got this one over here.
I said robot.
Yeah. That's your favorite?
This is
Mhm.
this is And this is racing right here.
Yeah.
That's how you robot right there. And that's the GoPro. That's cool. That's the one place. And then
Do you like your Dyson?
yeah.
Yeah? What do you like the best about your Dyson? It's like, where are you going, Roomba?